Osteoarthritis, the leading cause of disability among Americans, also affects our pets. Dr. Jimmy Cook and a team of researchers from veterinary medicine, human medicine, and engineering are working together at MU's Comparative Orthopaedic Laboratory, also known as the COL, to solve the complex problem of osteoarthritis in all species, applying their research discoveries to clinical situations. The first step in solving this problem is developing methods for early detection of osteoarthritis. Currently, osteoarthritis is diagnosed when the pain and dysfunction drives the patient or pet owner to seek medical attention. Unfortunately, at this point, it's already too late for any preventative or curative therapies. So, COL researchers have been investigating a number of different biomarkers that could signal impending osteoarthritis prior to clinical signs or symptoms. Biomarkers are substances in the blood, urine, or joint fluid of patients that are warning flags of a disease. An example of a biomarker used clinically today is the PSA for prostate cancer in men. Already the COL team has developed and tested a biomarker panel for osteoarthritis that shows promise for early diagnosis and staging of osteoarthritis in people and dogs. And it's the same panel for both species.
So if we can show that our biomarker panel can consistently predict the presence and severity of arthritis in patients, then we can realistically think about preventing and even curing osteoarthritis.
Identifying biomarkers is only one of numerous translational research projects underway at Mizzou. The COL has also been funded by the NFL charities to bring the technology they developed for diagnosing meniscal problems in dogs to the stars of the gridiron and other human athletes. The college's veterinary team of Dr. Tracey and Jimmy Cook have been using ultrasound to diagnose meniscal tears in dogs for years. The NFL recognized the great potential of this work as a means of on-the-field diagnosis and agreed to fund a clinical study in human patients that's currently underway at Mizzou. Moving to the treatment side of the arthritis problem, the COL team, working with their clinical partners at the Missouri Orthopaedic Institute, are also working to make artificial joint replacement a thing of the past by using cartilage cells from organ donors to grow new joints for patients with bad hips, knees, and shoulders. And this is not just fantasy or the stuff of a sci-fi movie. The COL team has already successfully regrown functional biologic joints for rabbits and dogs and are working hard toward Food and Drug Administration approval for eventual use in humans. Striving to treat, cure, and eliminate debilitating joint disease. This is part of One Health, One Medicine, One Mizzou.